Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to store cables so they do not get tangled. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a cable, and it's really easy to store a cable like this so that it does not get tangled. Okay, very easy to do. I'm going to show you a method, and now this method is great because it keeps the cable contained within itself, and it takes the ends and it sort of brings the ends, and instead of them being loose ends, it allows them to be like tight ends that are nice and tight within the cable for the most part. And it's really easy to do, really quick, and it's just great because it prevents the cable from getting tangled with itself, and it also prevents the cable from getting tangled with other cables for the most part. Okay, it's likely to prevent it from getting tangled in any way. Okay, obviously it's not guaranteed. Your cables can still get tangled with themselves and can still get tangled with other cables if you're using this method, but it just makes it less likely that a tangle will happen in any way, shape, or form. So without further ado, this is how you do it. We're going to take one end, so I'm just going to take this end over here, and I'm going to just let it be loose. You can leave a good amount of a loose cable like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to leave that loose, and we're going to create a circle. Now the circle can be bigger or smaller, it's up to you, but we're going to create a circle. We're going to wrap it around itself, okay? Now we've wrapped it around itself like this, and we have the two ends over here. Now you see the two ends are crossing over. Very simple. So what we're gonna do is the two ends are gonna cross over like that, okay? You can see we have the circle that we've created, the two ends have been crossed over, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this end, and as you can see, the cross is like this, right? Like this. So this end, well, we'll start with this end over here. I'm gonna change it. I was gonna start with this one, but we're gonna start with this one. So you can see this end is on my side of the cross, right? You can see over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it over the other cable. Over the other cable like that, over the other cable. So over the other cable, and we're gonna tuck it into the circle. And this one is gonna go over the other cable on the cross, which is towards me, over the other cable, tuck it into the circle. Okay, what we have here is a self-contained cable that has been wound up. The ends are, you know, in a nice tight position, and it's just like I said, it's a simple way to store away a cable. You can put it in a drawer, put it in a container, put it in whatever, but it's a simple way to store away a cable. It's nice and loose, right? But it's contained, so it's not like it's wound up really tightly. It's nice and loose, but it's contained. Really easy to do, and you can obviously take this method and change it a little bit to make it suit your needs, but that's the basic method. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Really easy to do. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, so with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.